niyo po yung inyong chocolate.
Wow! Ate Glitz, ang asim!
Pwede niyo pong basahin yung letter.
Basahin.
Pwede po kay Madam Eileen. Happy Valentine. Yan, tanggapin niyo po isa-isa. Balloon. Yan. Ito po yung bouquet. Ayan. Ito po yung spaghetti pan. Ito po yung pizza. Ayan po yung pizza. Ayan, dyan po. Tapos, tingnan nyo po yung inyong chocolate.
Wow! Ate Glitz, ang asim!
Pwede nyo pong basahin yung letter.
Basahin mo, Day. Ayan. Sabi ni Ate Glitz, Han, Happy Hearts Day. You know I can't give you the world, but I can give you my affection. Wow. You make me the happiest woman I've never been. Distance can't separate us. You're always in my heart every day, and love you forever. I miss you so much, and happy Valentine's Day to us, hon. I love you. Love, GCLB. Well done!
Thank you.
Ang asin!
Ano po masasabi ninyo po?
Thank you so much, San. Talaga, what's not enough to say how much I'm grateful and blessed to have you in my life. I love you and I love you so much. Sana makasama na rin kita. Thank you, ha.
Asin! Mayra, Mayra.
In the quiet of the morning light, I see your face and everything feels right. You smile, it's like the sun, chasing all the shadows, warming everyone. Love, 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 it's the air we breathe, the song we sing. Love, 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 it's the reason why our hearts take. It's the air we breathe, the song we sing. Love, 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 it's the reason why our hearts take wings. Love,